We want to solve this exponential equation. It's 4 to the x power equals 32. Okay, remember, x is in the exponent here, right? So, and this is not like a polynomial equation like we've done previously, okay? So we have to somehow solve for this x value. And now there's a couple things here, right? Okay, now we know that 4 to the first power is 4, right? We know that 4 to the second power is 16. We know that 4 to the third power is 64, right? So wait a minute, right? There's no such thing as 4 to the, some nice number that equals 32, okay? So, but we know that our answer, whatever our answer is, right, should be somewhere in between 2 and 3. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? Well, there's a couple of ways, okay, but in this case, we notice that, hey, wait a minute, I know that 4 is equal to 2 squared, okay? And I also know that 32 is equal to 2 to the 5th power, okay? So what we want to do in this particular problem is we want to rewrite these using the same base. In this case, a base of 2. All right, so what do we mean by that? Well, we know that 2 squared is equal to 4, so I'm just going to replace the 4 with the 2 squared. I also know that 32 is 2 to the 5th power. Okay? So once we've rewritten the bases, okay, of course, using these exponents, now we have to make sure we use the rules for exponents correctly. We want to make sure that we multiply these together, right? So 2, and then multiply the exponents to the 2x power equals 2 to the 5th power. All right, notice what happens here, right? Now we have an equation where both sides have the same base, right? Remember, these have to be equal. So if the bases are the same, what can we assume about 2x and 5, right? Well, if the bases are the same, then the exponents have to equal as well. So we can rightfully conclude that 2 times x equals 5. So when we divide both sides by 2, x is going to equal 5 over 2. Remember what that means though here, right? It means that 4 to the 5 over 2 power is equal to 32, right? So this answer checks out.